Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to double unwrap this from Ann Taylor. So let's go ahead and get this started. Now you can share what my wife picked up. Oop, there's the invoice. I'm not sure why they print this out so small. This is a petite ruffle chef dress, honey drop color. Wow, it's only $23.60. So let's go ahead and check on this one. Wow, that looks so cheap. It's like a Scotch tape. I'm not sure if they use customer return or what the heck's going on, but they lost the original bag. You cannot complain. This dress for 23 something, no way. So this one is the Ann Taylor size 10P for petite. So this is like a top, no, not top, the mustard color. I think there's a security tag right here. It's inside the pocket, or what's this one right here? Alright, there's a security tag. So you guys gotta make sure you guys take this out. The top one right here. %, polyester, machine wash, cold. Oh, so this is like a satin. Well, this is polyester, but it feels so soft. It's a 2-layer, one for the inside to keep you comfortable. So this is polyester, the more rough. Nice design by the arms toward the sleeve. Then this is what's it look like on the back. Then here is your zipper and a hook. Alright, so let's go ahead and Oh, on the back right here, there's like a cut opening. Be sure to cut this out, or it'll be looking funny. Let's go ahead and open the second one up. And then this one is the shimmer cross top for $47.70. Wow, it's pretty nice and pretty thick. So as you see right now, this is like an original package. There's a sticker right here. Tells you the size, the barcode. And this one is not taped up with a Scotch tape, you can tell, and this is a clear tape. And this one size medium, made in Philippines. Has a sparkling silver thing with a gold. I know it's kind of plain, so it's like a cross. Just no pockets. And here's the tag. 75, what is it? 79% cotton, 19 polyester, 2% outer fiber. Dry clean only. Couple of the sticker for quality control. I'm going to turn on the flash, see if it shines back with those sparkling. Weird on the camera, it doesn't show that it's sparkling, but you can see like a gold sparkling on this top. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like this video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.